Good evening. I am a left leg above knee amputee, and this is my prosthetic leg. You can see this one is my prosthetic leg, which I am using, and this is a C leg. So you can see the design of C leg, internals like a piston and cylinder, and other mechanism out there. And this upper part is the socket part, and this one is a suction valve which allow the air from inside to come out. This is a proseal type of socket. I will show you the inside design of the socket. This is the seal that which is called proseal seal. It is basically a neoprene type rubber type of seal, and this seal is fixed inside a groove in the socket, and a sealant is being used for filling up the gap so that any leakage are not there for suction. So it helps in maintaining the suction inside the socket. So sometimes what happens that sealant gets dry up, and I have to put another layer of sealant so that suction cannot be leak. Now this is a sealant. It is a transparent in color, and it's readily available in the furniture shops. So I will remove some sealant from this. See, you can see that sealant, and I will apply it inside the groove from outside only, wherever it gets dried up or wherever it is get removed. So if we can apply one layer of sealant, it will be sufficient for filling all the gaps, and it will maintain the suction inside. We will take some another more quantities. You can see the sealant, it is very transparent. It is basically a gum which is suitable for the socket and seal material. And we will leave this this solution, this sealant, for getting dried up for another 1 hour and so, and then it will be ready for use. So in that way I am repairing my suction socket in my home only. So thank you for watching this video, and please write your comments and how you like the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.